On this episode of Around the Corner, we brought you here to Alma to the Linam Family Farm.
Yeah, this is the first ever look at this new blackberry farm where they have state-of-the-art technology helping make some of the best blackberries that you'll find in our area.
And that's right, Chris is going to give us a tour and we're going to show you around. Come on.
Should we hit tight? Thanks for picking us up.
So these are your baskets. So you're just gonna put it around your waist and then it's gonna hang down. So that belt will be at the top like this.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna go over the basics of picking a ripe berry. And so you wanna pick a berry that is glossy black, but the best will be flat black. The ones you want to avoid are the ones that still have a little bit of a red tint to them. And when you pick a berry, you want to go up to it and it should just roll off in your finger.
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, that is easy.
Okay. Does this one looks good to me?
Roll it up.
Look at that. Can I try
They come
it?
off so easy.
Cheers. Yeah, that's good. Mm-hmm.
So there's 4 different varieties of blackberries here on the farm. We just tried the Ponca.
Yeah, really good. And you can try them all too. Let's go try the Caddo next.
Gotta pick one more. This one is the Washtenaw. Go Tigers. Sadly, our taste test is coming to an end, but we couldn't leave without trying one more.
Yeah, Chris, tell us about this one and why it's special.
So this is the Natchez, and this is a larger berry that is often used in baking.
Fill up a cup faster, right? We're wrapping up our time here on the Linam Family Farm. Now, you can't come pick your own blackberries just yet. They're working on that. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks, they're gonna let you know on their Facebook page.
You can still come get that blackberry fix though, because they have porch pickup here. And while you're on the farm, you might as well come and take a picture right here by the truck. That's gonna do it for us this week. We'll see you next time on
Around the Corner.